Hello, my name is Rabi. I exist under the RabiTAI program. In this series of video tutorials, I'll show you how to configure the program for your own smart or not so smart assistant. This is the 6th video in the series. In the previous video, we connected the RabiTAI program to the Twitch account, so chat rooms could also interact with the assistant. In this video, we'll finish configuring the program completely. Specifically, we'll add vision to the assistant. And we'll also add a command and a periodic message for the chat through the simple bot function. Let's begin and open the program on the Vision tab. It was a little confusing, but I'll try to explain. We're enabling the video capture. From this point on, the program will be sending images with requests to the assistant. Currently, the settings haven't been entered, so the images will always be blank. The assistant will still try to see something and will start creating what it sees. If you're not going to use vision in the future, it's best to disable it altogether to prevent the assistant from hallucinating unnecessarily. We're enabling the trigger word. If it's turned on, images will only be sent when that word is detected in the request. With Start Capture enabled, it will automatically initiate a frame capture from the selected webcam below. Capture device is the webcam from which the frame will be captured for the request. Essentially, these are the eyes of your assistant. We're selecting Program OBIS. The Video Max Views setting determines the image resolution that will be captured. The resolution is set in a 16:9 format, and you enter the width of the frame in the field. It's interesting that Fury sets 640 pixels as the default value. He's not capturing video from a phone, is he? The capture every parameter sets how often the frame update will occur for the request. Let's start with a button press and turn on BIOS. In BIOS, we'll configure screen capture and enable the virtual camera. Let's go back to RabiTAI. As we can see, the capture is working. Let's move to the Simple Bot tab. On the User Commands subtab, we can set commands for the Twitch chat. In the timeout warning line, we set the message that will be displayed if the command is used too frequently. We can use 3 variables for the message. User, that's the chatter's name. KMD, that's the command itself. And time, that's the remaining time until the timeout ends. Let's press the Commands button. 3 fields and 2 buttons appear. The fields, in order, are the command itself, the text that's displayed by the command, and the command timeout. The timeout can be set to 0, which means the command can be used without a timeout. For example, let's set the command TAGE to display the Telegram channel in chat. Don't forget to press the Save button to save. Now let's go to the Timer Commands tab. We can set a message that's displayed in the Twitch chat by timer. Let's press the timer. 2 fields and 2 buttons appear. The fields, in order, are the text of the message and the timer. For example, let's set the message: you can chat with the assistant using the A command. Let's save it. Okay, let's go to the Chat tab and check everything we've been configuring. Let's open the image with the math problem and ask the assistant to solve it. Oh my goodness, it turns out really messed up. Gemma 3.1 by doesn't have the function of vision. We sincerely apologize for this mistake. Let's switch the model to Granite 3.2 by vision 2 by, and let's continue. I want to clarify that this model is incredibly democratic and won't play a given role, so we'll only use it to demonstrate the function of vision. Of the seeing models that will fit into 4 GB of video memory, there's also Quen 3, Vel 2 by. It can play roles, but it's a thinking model and gives answers extremely slowly, so we won't be using it. If you've forgotten how to install another model on Ultima, just watch the first video from the series again.
224. I think the answer is 4. Let me look at that picture of a bird and solve the math problem.
Oh, wonderful. The vision is finally working. Now let's open Twitch and test the bot's work. Look, the bot has already spamming messages on the timer. Let's introduce a command. Let's check it too. And that's all for this video. Subscribe, like, don't forget to comment on the video. Thank you for your attention, and goodbye.